How tricks! In this video, we are going to install CCleaner Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, which will automate the cleaning optimization process of computer. Click on Start and then click on Microsoft Store. Now, one of my audience, Mr. Malik, told me that CCleaner is available on Microsoft Store, which is really a good news. So in the search icon, just type search CCleaner. We just need to click on install. Now, the moment we do it, it will start downloading and it will ask you to say yes. Once the CCleaner is installed, it will show up like this. CCleaner free is ready and we just need to click on continue. I can see it says you're all done, start CCleaner. So we will start with custom clean, which is the most important section. So here we just need to click on analyze and it will start looking for all the cache junk from your computer. And I can see it has been removed. We just have to run cleaner and we just need to click on continue. So it says almost 4.4 GB of junk has been removed. And here in driver updater, if we click on that and if we click on continue, here you can check out for any outdated drivers and you can update it from here. See, I have 132 updated up-to-date drivers. Here I can see there is one more update. Third option is Registry Cleaner. So if you have any errors, getting too many errors in the computer or system is running slow, you can scan for registries and then you can click on review selected. If you want to take a backup, you can take the backup of your registry. Else you can simply click on no and fix all issues and then close. And here in tool section, we can uninstall any application by just one single click. We can go to the startup item and see which all applications are enabled or disabled at the startup. Here you can check browser plugins, how many browser plugins you have, and you can delete the plugins, you can disable the plugin from here. So overall, it's a very useful app which you can use it for free. So as far as a free software is concerned, there are so many things which we can do in this. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.